One brother asks, why does the white man hate us? Well, it ain't because we're black, it's his nature to hate any race who's of color. And what I've got to say, yo listen brother, it's his nature to kill, rob, trick, and slay. If it wasn't, then we wouldn't be here today. In the predicament that we admit is hell, with over 700,000 black brothers in jail. Yet still they wanna kill and become cops, so they shoot a brother dead as hell and say that they thought he had a gap. And it works like that because the governor of the United States has their back. It's a fact that they declare war against the black man by using every little trick that they can to keep a brother dead in jail or on the run, by shipping in drugs and guns among the black race to keep us in place so that we don't populate and give them a taste of what they gave us for the last 400 years. That's what the white man fears, so they hire Uncle Toms to play the roles of heroes, so he can misguide his own people. And you wonder why the mayor you pick doesn't do a thing, cause the white man is pulling the strings. It's a shame how they kill every day and try to make it seem on your screen that they're doing the right thing to serve and protect all human life. That's why I tell you brothers, don't believe the white hype. You should wanna put some of this down on paper, cause the wicked things that they do is in their nature. Yeah, I think it's about time we all drop the design, you know what I'm saying?
It's in the nature to take land from the native man and use black people as a slave hand. And today they just sit up like slobs and lie about what they got for working hard. I disregard the scandalous lies that they telling me, cause America's built off the back of black families, and we yet to be paid for way back in past when our fathers were slaves. Yet they coming out the pocket quick for the Japanese, and having so much as written us a simple apology. But it's time to move on, never forgetting the past while we come up strong and unite. Cause we gotta know who we gotta fight. It's not the black brothers, so let's unite. So we got to get together on a higher level. Admit to ourselves that we're dealing with the devil. See, we must tell the truth no matter what. Prepare ourselves to start kicking some butt, cause it's a race mix of liars, murderers, and haters. And the wicked things that they do, it's in the nature. Yeah, so ain't no future, no fronting.
It's in their nature to lie and mislead, that's a fact. They said that Jesus is white when they know that he's black, and that's why to open up a holy book and see a white man who's supposed to correct and love me. Yet they're steady trying to figure out a way to kill a black man every day. That's why I say it's in their nature, the things that they do, taught by their creator and father Yakub. This is true, what I spit, and your white scholars know it. But they wanna keep your history here, so they'll teach about people who don't mean a thing, like Wild Bill, Hickok, Frank, and Jesse James, Abraham Lincoln, and George Washington. They make them out to be heroes, but they're snakes, my man. And they say we were in Africa with bones in our nose, running around in the jungles with no clothes. But if you know self-knowledge, you know it's not true. You talk to people from your city and they'll listen to you and wanna do what you're doing to uplift this race, because we're tired of being stepped on and kicked in the face by the white man who hates us. He think he outdates us. The wicked things that he does, it's in his nature. Yeah, go tell it on the mountain, let it be known.